What's up everyone, Modern Milt here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the blades on your auto lock and your ratchet lock o.l.f.a knives. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Alright everyone, so here are your two 18mm o.l.f.a knives. One is the ratchet lock and the other one is the auto lock. I'm going to start with the ratchet lock first. You're going to want to turn the ratchet counterclockwise until the blade becomes loose, where you can slide it up and down the handle of the knife. Once you have done this, you'll be able to slide the blade completely right out of the back and take the old blade off. Grab a new blade, place it on the lock, and then slide it back into the handle of the knife. On the classic L-2, you can see that there's a little stop at the end of the knife. All you have to do is make sure that your ratchet goes up past this stop so you can slide it out the back, and then just repeat the steps. Now with the auto lock knife, there is no need to turn anything. Just simply move the auto lock down all the way through the back end of the knife. It should come out really easy. Replace the blade and then stick it back in. It's just that simple. Well, I hope this video gave you a better understanding on how to change your knife blades on the o.l.f.a. That's it for me on this video. Hope to catch you on the next one, and thanks for watching.